2013 Chevy 2500. Another one with a busted exhaust manifold bolt. Jaime is being a dentist today at extracting the one out of the back there. This is pretty common, and it sounds like a lifter tick. When you start up in the morning, and as it warms up, it goes away. This is a six-liter Chevrolet. Fords do something similar as well. They break off the bolts on the EcoBoost. So it may not be a valve train problem. It may just be an exhaust leak. That Craig's Car Care. There's a new manifold that's going to go in its place.